Quickly on the Middle East and the peace process unraveling. Does the president decide to pull Secretary Kerry and get him out of the peacemaking business in the Middle East? Or is it possible that the United States, in the absence of negotiating partners, advances its own peace plan, puts it on the table and says, get to work?
Look, thanks to Secretary Kerry's incredible leadership and determination, the party's made progress in breaking through some of the roadblocks, but not all of them. And the fundamental problem now is they're at a point where they're confronted with having to make very, very difficult decisions.
Understood.
Neither side has been willing to do that to date. We can't want this more than they do. It may be that there needs to be a little pause. People need to step back and reflect on where they are and look at the alternatives. But because of the engagement that the Secretary's had, because of the strong support of the President for this process, we've gotten them closer.
All right, but
they have to make a tough choice.
Does Kerry come out for now?
Look, we're going to take this day by day. We've got to see. They need a chance to reflect on where they are, look at the alternatives. He will be deeply engaged with them, but right now, the bottom line is this. We can't want this more than they do. They have to decide.
So you're saying
they're
that
going
the
to make
United
tough
States
choices.
would not advance its own peace plan?
I'm saying that right now, we need for the parties to reflect on where they are and think about the next steps that they want to make.